Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to talk about the contents of the buckskin sheath pouch that I recently posted on a couple platforms. This is made to go on the sheath of a JRE Industries sheath, although they'll go on just about any sheath with grommets. But contents are as follows. The bag itself is just buckskin with a leather lace to attach it and 2 brass buttons and a small piece of paracord and a wooden toggle. Got a little metal whistle. Let's dump everything out. I've got so that's everything. Just a little metal whistle. There's a video up on how to make one of these on my channel. I have a 1000 grit diamond stone with a Panacea X frog gig taped to the back of it, a Wazoo fire card, some Gorilla tape, a small wooden spool with some wire on it, some 400-pound Kevlar, a handful, well, 3 small glow sticks, button compass, a few good rubber bands that I laminated, fat wood, another piece of fat wood, flashlight with the battery flipped around, holds 1 AAA, lighter, so it has 1-inch Gorilla tape, 15-pound braid fishing line, and waxed hemp wick, a small water buffalo horn spool with some braided cotton cord, and a decent sized needle, a Wazoo survival gear water purification kit. So it's got 2 Ranger bands, the bag, it's like an oven bag, and some water purification tabs in there, but I run an additional Ranger band around it this way and then put these 2 back on it for extra protection. 2 Wazoo hardware tubes, a ferro rod with a glow ceramic scraper from Who is Citizen E, a small magnesium ferro rod combo, a Swiss Army knife Walker, one of the discontinued models. So it's got your tweezers and your toothpick on there. It's got a can opener, a knife, and a saw. That's it. That's all that's on that one. It's got a piece of fat wood down in it. It's got a decent sized awl that I've made, and 2 of the braided line tubes down in there, and it just put it down there just to take up some slack. That way I can put my awl in there and I don't worry about poking holes in nothing. It's pretty straightforward, but they're useful items to me, whether I would like to have them just in case, or if I'm out doing something. We have the ability to goof off if we want to. I could go fishing or start a fire or repair something or whatever that I needed to do. It's not just a kind of a survival thing, but it is nice to be prepared, as well as be able to practice your stuff. But yeah, that's it. And all of my kits basically have this stuff in them. Sometimes the brand changes a little bit, but for the most part, that's what's in my zombie skin bag. But alright, hope that answers your question. Appreciate all the support. Bushcraft Kelso on the Instagram. Bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. And until next time, later.